Okay, first we're gonna do spa mode, then we'll do pool mode after this. So currently the pool is in pool mode and the pump is off. So the first thing we're gonna do is turn the valves. We're gonna go to spa mode, and then we're gonna go down here to spa mode. Okay, simple. Then we're gonna go to the pump. We're gonna hit, for spa we always use speed 4. Okay, and then you hit 4 and then start. Okay, the pump's gonna turn on. You can close that. Okay, you're gonna come over here. You're gonna hit spa. Right, you can select your temperature. 101 or 102 is good. Alright, that's it. The heater will fire up soon. Okay, now you're done using the spa. You want to shut everything off. First things first, you're going to hit heater off. Okay, you're going to let the pump run for 5 minutes to cool down the heater. Very important to cool down the heater. You don't want to just shut the pump off. Alright, so after you let the heater cool down and let the pump run for 5 minutes, you're gonna come back here. You're gonna hit menu, or you're gonna hit stop. Okay. You're gonna turn this back to pool because you want it to filter out every day. Okay, so now it's back. You want to activate the pump for tomorrow morning. You still want it to turn on, so you're gonna hit menu, okay, and then start. And you see that says running schedules. That's what you want to see in pool mode, is running schedules. Okay, turning on pool heat. Okay, we're going to leave the valves alone. If the pump's not on, or even if the pump is on, you're going to use speed 3 minimum. You can also use speed 4. You're gonna see I hit 3. Make sure this start button is activated or lit. And you hit pool on. Set your temperature. 85 is probably good for swimming. Or 80. And that's it. When you're done with the pool heat, same thing, you need to let the pool heater cool down. Okay, so when you're done with this thing, you're going to hit off, let it run for at least 5 minutes. Let this pump run for 5 minutes to cool down this heater. Okay, and after it's done cooling down, you're going to open this. Okay, and you're going to hit menu and then start. And what you want to see is running schedules. That way the pump turns on its normal daily schedule. Okay, that's it. Also, if you want to adjust the cleaner, you're going to use this valve here. You can reduce flow to the skimmer using this valve. Pool guy will usually adjust that for you. You're not really going to need to touch any other valves. This valve right here, you can increase the water going to the spa. Again, you don't need to touch that one. Okay, and then this one is for the floor heat. Honestly, I would just leave it as is. Both these I would just leave as is. Okay, that's about it.